Good day. I'm Nicole Smart International, and I'm coming to you live from Al Jazeera Media Network. And I'm very proud to say that we've hosted an incredible workshop on the art of addressing public. I'd like to say thank you very much to Mr. Christian, to Martin, to Jan, and to James for your incredible participation. Your commitment to excellence has been nothing short of astonishing. Your respect, your dedication, and the evolution, and I say this with respect, from yesterday to when we started the workshop, to you standing up here today, given that it was in fact a surprise, and you did not know that this was actually waiting. The truth of the matter is the participants thought we were going to stand in an auditorium. So that was what was in their mind, to only be shifted into a broadcasting room. And how they've handled it is, I'm personally mind blown. So I'd like to say shukran jazilan, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup, danke. And I'd like to please invite Christian onto stage, or so to speak, to join us for the final debrief. Thank you very much. Christian, if you wouldn't mind joining us.